This is the rudder assembly off of my 2-meter Super Cub float rudder. I kind of inherited this aircraft and didn't get any documentation or anything, not sure, but I believe there's a way to adjust the depth of the rudder. I'm not sure. If anybody knows, can they give me the heads up? I'd like to run this as deep as possible. It looks like it's set that way, and maybe sharpen the edges. It's an awful big plane. Haven't had it in the water yet, so I'm not sure if I even need any adjustment, but anybody knows, leave me a message. I have no clue. Thanks.